Okay, you're in Microsoft Word and you want to curve text. First step, go to the Insert tab on your ribbon, and then over in the text group, go to this WordArt menu, and then just select the first option here. Then type your text in, and then you'll want to reposition your text. So you just drag the border of this box to wherever you want it to appear. Now to get it to curve, you need to be on the Shape Format tab of your ribbon, and that's only going to appear if you have your WordArt selected. So then in the WordArt Styles group, go to this little button, Text Effects, then go down to Transform, and you have two options here for curving text, Arch or Arch Down. I'm going for Arch. So you can see you get a basic curve. If you want to accentuate the curve, just make the text box a little bit taller, and then you can play around with the placement to get it exactly where you want it. Now, if you're not happy with the font that's being used, then you can just change the font in the normal way. So you go to the Home tab, and here's your font menu. So for example, if I chose that font there, I'm going to need to reposition it. You can see I can choose any font that I want from this menu. And also I can change the font size. And again, I could make the text box taller to accentuate the curve. I can change the color. If you don't like the shadow effect that you can see on the text, then just go to Shape Format, and again, go to your Text Effects, Shadow, and you can say No Shadow. Similarly, you could apply a different shadow to the text. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this particular video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.